All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we did start a new section of the module. Let's look at what we went over. We're going to be going over the lane chain section of the module. So let me start with some reading and then explain to you exactly what happened and what's going on with that. So in this section, we will be exploring LangChain. The very first thing we need to do is import LangChain. Inside LangChain, we have different modules, and inside these modules, we have different classes. Next, we will import LLMS from LangChain. After that, we will import OpenAI from OpenAI. Initially, we decided that we can look at LangChain as a kind of a wrapper for OpenAI. So now, whatever request we make doesn't go directly to the OpenAI API, but gets passed through LangChain. But LangChain is not restricted to this API. It has many uses. LangChain is very powerful and it is open source. Now we will create the object of this open AI API, assign it a variable of client, and pass our API key. So let's have a look at what we went over. Of course, nothing went as planned. So first we started with the import. I imported LangChain as we supposed to, and then from LangChain I tried to do the LLMS, and that didn't work. I tried it multiple times in different ways. It didn't work. So I actually came over here and typed it in as a question inside of my browser here. So I looked over here on my Bing side, and it said to try this code instead. So I copied this from langchain.llms.openai import OpenAI. Came back over, tried that. It still came back as an error. So I came all the way down here to see why it was still coming back in as an error. Then they got the module not found error. I read all of this. Then it said you can install it by using pip install ulang community. So I had to open up another browser, pip install ulang chain community, downloaded that, or pip installed that, and then I actually came back and then I was able to get my import. So yeah, it took me a while to actually track down the error. Like I said, the instructor I guess didn't know what was going on. He didn't have that issue, so he didn't address that at all. So it's something I had to take a while to actually figure out to see what's going on. I actually left it up so I can show you exactly what the error looked like and how we navigated around it. I'm going to erase it now so we can have a cleaner page. Let me do that really quickly. But yeah, I was hoping to get a little further tonight, but like I said, that the incident with the imports not working kind of slowed me down. So yeah, that's where we're at for the night. So we do have our imports at least for the night, everything we need. Let me copy this just in case it's gonna go away after I get rid of this page here, this error page. Like it would, yeah, I know it would. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna run it and see if everything's good. Everything's still good. Okay, so we finally have our LangChain LLMS.openAI. Like I said, the instructor isn't using this. I guess he's using a different version of it, but he doesn't have this end piece on here. But this is the piece we needed to continue. So I had to hunt that down and see exactly what it was and how we can implement it into our system. So everything's back on track. So yeah, we will pick this up tomorrow, but of course I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.